Good morning, everybody. Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today is day 23 of our Mature Skin Makeup Challenge. So as you can see, I've got almost a full face of makeup on today, and that's because we're testing a lip product today. But I wanted to go ahead and use the time this morning, it's a Saturday morning, to play with that Morphe palette that I demonstrated for you yesterday, and with all its beautiful colors. So this is what I came up with today. So I have used a tight line and an under a waterline eyeliner. It's a Vasanti, and I did feature it in a short that I did quite a while ago, and I quite like it. It's a very long-lasting eyeliner. So, but this is a very dramatic look, and I like it though. To get on with today's product, I'm so excited because this is a brand that I used quite a bit when I was younger, and I think they're a classic. It's Clinique, and they've always had this beautiful packaging, right? The pretty pinks and greens, and it's always spring looking no matter what time of year it is at Clinique. So let's open it up. So here it is. Now this, I believe, is the color that's inside. I looked at the tester, and it looks like they try to match these to the colors. So it's a beautiful kind of orangey pinky spring color, and I love these. They're very pretty. And then so we'll just open it up, and you can see. Isn't that stunning? I'll swatch it for you. Beautiful. So I was really taken with this in the store. It is the Clinique Pop Matte series. This one is Graffiti Pop. And although it's a matte, and I know mattes are probably maybe going out of fashion a bit for this spring and summer, my theory is you could always turn a matte into a glossier look with some lip gloss or some lip balm even. So, and when I swatched it, it didn't feel drying. So I like that. So we're going to do a wear test on this today. I'm going to put it on right now for you. So there we go. That's a beautiful color. It's very bright, but I don't mind a bright lip color. I quite like it actually because I think it really lifts your face. So when I rub the swatch, see, it stays pretty well. I'm hopeful for this lipstick that it's going to have some staying power, or at least leave a nice stain behind, because I don't mind that either, because then you can just put some balm on and refresh it. I'm going to go away now and finish my look for today. I'm going to do a bit of shopping this afternoon and early afternoon, and then we'll use that as the wear test, and then I will come back and I will show you afterwards how it held up. And that's generally how I've been doing these tests in the 30-day Mature Skin Makeup Challenge. There is a playlist, if you want to check it out, of all the products that we've done so far on the 30-day Mature Skin Makeup Challenge. And I'm trying to use as many of them every day as possible. So there's a list in the description box of what I've used so far, all the different brands that we've used already. But if you see a brand or a product that you see that might be missing, isn't on the list yet, and you want me to give it a try, please let me know in the comments below because I can try it out. We've got about a week, little over a week left on this challenge. So if you hurry and get it into me, I can probably try it out. Now, there are a couple of rules around that. One is it can't cost hundreds of dollars. And the other is that I have to be able to get it here in my city in Canada quite quickly now because we're running out of time. So let me know your thoughts, and if you have any suggestions, I'd be happy to take them. So here's my look for today. Like I mentioned, I'm just going to do some shopping, so I just threw on a white shirt and I'll put some jeans on and my trench coat and I'll be out the door. But I just wanted to show you the lipstick one more time before I do the wear test. and I will see you in a couple of hours. Okay, so here we are back from the wear test. I went and did some shopping, and I've had a couple of cups of coffee. So let's take a look at what's going on with this lipstick. So I can see that it's worn out in the middle. So I kind of have that lip liner effect now, which happens with most of my lipsticks. I will have to say that it's a little bit drying, and it's not feathering badly, but I think it would benefit from a lip liner. Probably a nude or just something would benefit it for sure. But from a distance, and you know, all I would need to do to fix it now, in fact, I'll do it. I'm going to use some of this Essence What the Fake Lip Plumping Gloss. And you'll see, just pump that on. And I can refresh the look a little bit before I have to go in and put more lipstick on again. So I think it's an excellent product. I love the color. Here it is again. It's such a pretty spring kind of geranium pink, I would call it. And I just really loved it, and I love wearing it. I think it's really pretty. So here's Bonnie to help us say goodbye. Are you ready to say goodbye to the people? Say bye-bye, people. Do you want to push the like button? Bonnie, you want to push the like button? Push the like button. Push it. Okay. We're going to say goodbye now. This is Bonnie, my dog. Thank you so much for joining us. And I hope that you consider subscribing. I'm looking to build my community of amazing women around the world who love makeup and love fashion and love having fun in their life and know that life is a party and you should dress for it. So there you go. I hope you have a great day. Bonnie and I will say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, people. Okay, bye-bye now.